Okay, so unpacking assignment 100 web 1004. Okay, it's done on 1004. So let me import that web 1004. So I do not have web 1004 over here. Let me close one. File, import, existing Maven project. I know that that is an Maven project. So browse assignment 1004. And then finish. So the difference between assignment 1004 and what we are going to do in assignment 1005, we will show you. In assignment 1005, assignment 1004, we wrote the Google footer link page, this command within a main, right? Within a main method. Rakib bhai? Within a main method. But this time we do not have any main method. Okay. So then we will copy this code. We will copy this code from here to, for instance, this one, okay? From here to our code, the same, you see, this code are within main method, but here we do not have any main method. So let us do one by one. So let us copy, sorry. Let us copy these two lines first. Okay. And where we are going, assignment 1005. Step definition, Google. Here we will write. Okay. You see, but we need to do some update, right? In assignment 1004, we did some update, right? We created a driver folder, right? Rakib bhai? Okay, we created a driver folder and we put the drivers over there. So let us copy the drivers from assignment 1004. Web automation 1004 drivers. Then let me copy this driver from here. Drivers from here, this folder. I just copied this folder and let me put this driver inside here. Okay. Then another thing that I got a problem from here today because this driver I had is .exe file. Rakib bhai? Okay. These drivers are for Windows version. Okay, but now working on Mac. Yeah. Okay, so for Mac, I don't need to give .exe. I don't need to go .exe, but I need to download Mac driver, Chrome driver for Mac. This driver, the driver existing driver in this folder, this is for Windows. Okay. And good thing that we are working on Mac. I'm working on MacBook today. So then download Google Chrome driver for Mac. So for Mac and Windows are different. So I need to download Mac driver. Google Chrome driver for Mac. Let me download it. You see the latest Chrome driver, this one. Let me click on over here. And what is the download folder? Okay, you see Chrome driver 32.
Third one.
On a Mac, third one, nah?
Third
this
one,
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mac 64, this one. This one Chrome driver. You see the Chrome driver? Copy. Copy Chrome driver, and I need to put in here in this folder. Paste item. You see the difference between the exe file and this file?
They don't have exe.
Yeah, for Mac it does not have any exe. So then we don't need to write exe here, right? Okay. So far I have done this part. Let me see if it runs. Okay. So then we will run not from here. We will run from the feature file. Okay. Maybe we can run from here, but we will run from feature file. You see, there is no main method here. In this class, we don't have any main method here. So we cannot run from here. The difference between assignment 1004 and this one 2005 is that we are developing our framework now using Cucumber.
Okay.
But previously we did not use Cucumber, right?
Yes.
Previously we used just Java, plain Java project. Okay, so this is why we need to run from SRC test resource the features, this feature file. We need to open this feature file, and we need to do right click and then run as Cucumber feature. Let us try to run it. What happens we see. You will see it will open a Chrome browser. Okay. But it says, okay, city data. Oh, it opened a Chrome browser. You see? Rakib bhai?
Yeah, ওখানে তো দেখছি
Okay, let us do again. Okay, so let us delete it. Let us close all Chrome browser. You will see whether it is really opening a Chrome browser or not. So let us run it. Run it. You see this opening a Chrome browser?
Starting Chrome driver.
Yeah. So it's a starting Chrome driver. Okay. So after that it started Chrome driver, but we have written only just few lines of code. We have written so far only a few lines of code. Just what we said. We had, okay, we just created driver and then get driver. We got the Google page, right?
We just open the browser. That's all.
Yeah, that's nothing else, right? Okay, then we have to return only one given. Then we need to click on the privacy link. Okay. Now we need to click on the privacy link, right?
Right.
Okay, so now let us see our previous code, how to click on the privacy link. So we can, this is the code, maybe we can click on privacy link, right?
Okay.
This is the code. Maybe this is the code. We can click on privacy. This is the code. Yeah. So let us see if it can click on the privacy link. Then we have to click, okay, on the privacy link. Okay, so now by is not added, so we need to do right click. The easiest way do Shift, Control Shift O. Okay, then it will organize. It will. Oh, sorry. Control Shift O or Alt Shift O. We need to add this dependency by import. Okay, do right click and then import. Okay, so let us do it here. Then after sleep, let us sleep. Give us sleep 12 seconds. So now we are clicking on privacy link, right? This code. So let us run our feature file again to see. And see, it clicked on the privacy link.
Yeah, did.
Yes.
Okay. So now, so far, we have done something, but not exactly what we need. Okay. So that so far what we have learned. Okay. So that it see that browser are not closing. Okay. So all browser are still open. This one is my new browser, latest browser. I have to click it manually, and this is my old browser. I have to click it manually to close it, but later we will write some code in order to close our browser. So what was our code in order to close our browser? Driver.close, right?
Driver.close.
Okay, so then we can write that here. After waiting 12 seconds, we can write driver.close, right?
Or you can do back.
Driver.back.
Mm-hmm.
Let us see. Driver.back. Is there any back method? I don't see. I don't know. Is there any back method?
No,
You can put navigate.
Navigate back.
Navigate back. Okay. Thank you, Musharraf.
You are.
Okay. Navigate dot back, right?
Navigate.
Dot back.
Okay. Yeah.
Navigate dot back. Okay. Then back after that we can wait few seconds and then we can close it, right? Ultimately we need to close. So back means you will go to back, but it will not close. Rakib bhai?
Yes, sir.
Back means it will click on the back button, but it will not close.
Yeah, but we have
Right.
to open then again if I do close.
No, every time we need to open it. Every time
Okay.
automation framework works in a way that for every test we will reopen a new browser.
All right. Okay.
Okay. But we can test this whether our code is working or not, right? So every time remember that every time we will run our feature file, okay? We are no longer running our Java file. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
And as long as we will work, we will add more scenarios here. We will add more scenarios and then we will add more step definition file. This is a step definition file where we are writing our actual Java code. This is called step definition file. Okay, this is called step definition file, with .java extension. And the feature file is a cucumber file with extension .feature. We will write our feature over here. So how we will write our feature file? By looking our Jira. Test case in our Jira, right? Right?
Yes.
We will be given our test case on Jira. And by looking test case on Jira, we will be writing our
scenario.
Feature file. Scenario, okay? I will explain again. I will explain how to write scenario file. But just for now, in order to give you some interest, that something interesting, I'm giving you a short description that we are able to do something, okay? Quickly. For instance, so far we have learned this. So let me run. Also, I always do mistake. I have to run feature file. So then go to feature file and then do run as and then cucumber feature. Until you install cucumber plugin, you will not see this cucumber feature. Okay. Now let us see what happens. It is running. It is opening a Chrome browser, and it is opening google.com, and it's clicking on privacy link, and it should wait 12 milliseconds. I'll give 12 seconds.
So it is back.
Back, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then I give another 7 seconds before it closed. Now it's closed, right?
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so now happy we got something new, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now let us look at the steps. How much we have gone through and how many we have left. Okay, so our step, this is our previous one. Okay, so let me close this one manually. So you see, in order to, since I am using a MacBook, okay, so for Mac environment, I had to download Chrome browser for Mac, okay, so that does not have .exe. But when in my previous computer, if you use Windows computer, then you have to create Chrome driver.exe. You have to give Chrome driver.exe. Remember the difference between using Mac and Windows? Rakib bhai?
Yeah. One need the exe file under done.
Yes. If you use Windows, then you have to give drivers. Okay, so driver.exe. Okay, but I'm using Mac here, so I have to give this one. Remember that if you download this project, if you clone this project, and if you want to run in your computer, then you have to make this change. Okay, so far I don't need this. This is my previous one. Okay. So far we have written some codes in one of the steps, right?
Okay.
In feature I had 3 steps. You see, I have one feature over here, and I had 3 steps. You see, 3 steps: given, when, and then. Okay, among these 3 steps, you see, do you see any difference between given, when, and then? Faisal?
So when I click, then I will see.
Yes. Okay. So let me give.
When means actually action, then means result.
Yes.
Right.
Then means verification. Okay. So this is a feature file.
Yeah.
The feature file is written in a way that it starts with feature keyword. F is in uppercase. Okay. Then feature, after feature you have to give a clone. Then you will give a feature name. Okay. This is a feature name, and this is a feature name. And then remember that we wrote something big in our Jira file, right?
As a. Okay. I remember.
As a Google lover, I want to test Google footer link. Or as a Google tester, whatever you write, no problem, okay? So you see, this is a scenario, right? You remember this format from your Jira?
Yeah.
Test case, we do test case like this, right? And these are the steps, okay? Background means whatever we give background, that is applicable for all scenarios. I have one scenario over here. So for instance, I can add another scenario. For instance, I can add another scenario. I can add another scenario. Scenario start with in uppercase S, and it so then a clone. Okay. I can put another scenario, and then so when I click on the, what is the next step? Privacy or terms. Okay, terms link. Okay. When you should, when should be W. You see that I intentionally did a mistake in typing when. You see the difference between this when and this when. This when got italicized, right?
Actually, it should be the capital. Then it
Yes.
will automatically.
W should be capital. Okay. So remember that when I give W capital, then it gets highlighted. Okay. Then and T rightly you have to type it. Then T is in uppercase. Then I see the surface. For instance, something. Actually, now you see, do you see the difference between, because this line is not, it does not have any yellow underlines. You see the given, because the reason is that I have implemented, I have written code for this line.
Okay.
But this line is showing like yellow underline. That is either, so for this thing, you see, if I click over here, it says multiple definition found for this one. Either if it says multiple definition found, multiple means there is another, somewhere there is click on privacy link defined somewhere in another project. I will show you later, because soon I will resolve this issue. And then you see this one, it says multiple definition found, right?
Right.
Okay, so then we can
2 point here.
Yeah, we can resolve this, but this one, you see, it does not show any warning, right? This one,
Okay.
number line 12. we'll go that. We'll go here later. Okay. So here, how many scenarios are there? We have two scenarios. This is the first scenario and this is the second scenario. Okay, bhai? Okay, but we have background. Background is given. That means this given is applicable to this scenario and this scenario. For instance, sometime in our language, sometime in algebra we write. Okay, so in feature file, in order to make a comment, we use $sign. Okay, in Java we use dash dash, right? Slash slash, right?
Right.
But in feature file we use $sign in order to
pound sign.
Yeah, pound sign.
Pound sign.
So sometimes we say x into AB plus CD. So in algebraic equation, what do we mean by x? This x is multiplied to both AB and CD, right?
Right.
In algebra, same thing.
Yeah.
Is given, like this is a given. Given is applicable in front of this and in front of this scenario. That means instead of given, if you do not background, so for instance, this background, this line is considered as here the first line of this one as well as the first line of this one. Okay. So whatever that means, then you don't need to give background. If we do it that way, then we don't need to do background. Background, in background we put a common step. So which common step we have here? We see given, right?
Okay.
So then we will put that given in the background. Then we don't need to put it again and again to all scenarios. Okay. So what are steps?
If you don't have it given, then what do you have to do? Dr. Bhai?
Yes. What is your question?
If background is not given,
Yes.
then what do we have to do? We can manually we have to create one like HTTP.
I think we have to have at least one given.
Then we have to get given for like when I go to the Google page. Okay. For instance, like this, we have to give another when. Okay. And then we have to give another same thing here. So instead of writing same step again and again to all scenarios, we use given in keyboard. Okay? We use given. Given is used to make shortcut. Like for instance, this in algebra we write x into AB plus CD. That means what is this? This means x AB. It means x AB plus x CD, right?
Right.
X CD.
If we have like two given, then what?
Yeah, we
Right now.
Okay, so yeah, we'll come that shortly. Okay, so if we have another two given, then we'll put and.
Okay.
This and. Okay. Sometimes we will see and. And means if this and follows its immediate action.
Okay.
Okay. Sometimes we will see that we will use and. Okay. We will go to better and larger scenario feature file later. Okay. Let us start from here.
Okay.
We're going to start up, right?
Okay.
Okay. So now if we run this, okay. If we run this as a cucumber feature, then whatever we have implemented in our code, that will be executed. But here, look at, we do not have any main here, right? We do not have any main method here. Actually, our code is running on this guy. Then here. Okay, so it closes.
We didn't close and open the browser.
Yeah, it will. We did not close the browser.
No.
So here it opened the browser. This current
okay.
created. This opens the browser. This line creates and opens the browser, and then it opens a Google.com file. You see that? Let me try with another Yahoo. Let me go to Yahoo. So let us see whether it really goes to Yahoo page or not. Okay? But it will fail. Okay, Yahoo page does not have privacy. So let us run it.
মুখের ভাই আপনার সাউন্ডটা একটু লো হয়ে যাচ্ছে মনে হয়
Oh, sorry. I was fast. Relax. Okay.
জায়গাটা
So let us see whether he is going to Yahoo, right?
কিন্তু ড্রাইভারটা তো ওর না।
Okay, we will discuss. Okay, we are just getting started. Okay, we are just getting started. Okay, that so far how much we have learned. So far we have learned that we can write your automated test code without using our and we can run our automation code without main method.
Okay.
Right? Actually, the question is that how we will run our framework, run our test every night. Okay. Actually, later we will know how to use Jenkins. Later we will integrate our project with Jenkins, and then Jenkins will run this. If you go to my some other YouTube channel,